Hey everyone, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome back to today's video. In this video, we're going to take a look at the elements that differentiate the LED from the halogen lighting systems, and which of the two is ideal for the outdoor spaces in your home. Keep watching to find out if we recommend LED or halogen outdoor lighting. LED versus halogen lights. LED, also known as light-emitting diode, is defined as the type of lighting that makes use of a microchip, allowing for light emission in just one direction, unlike the halogen lights or the energy-saving incandescent lights that make use of a metallic filament, emitting light in all directions. In other words, LED lights use much more advanced technology and are much more beneficial than halogen lights. There's one catch though. For you to enjoy the benefits of the advanced technology, you'd have to pay much more for the LED lights than for the halogen lights. Understandably, there is more to these lights than the cost. So to determine which option would be best for you, we'd have to dissect the specific features of each type of light to determine which one is the superior type of outdoor lighting. So now, let's look at these specific features and elements. Energy efficiency. Thanks to the technological advancements in the chips used to create the LED lights boast a high level of energy efficiency. And in a world where we're all looking for the best ways to save money, investing in energy-efficient lighting systems is critical, hence the popularity of LED bulbs. According to statistics, LED bulbs use between 70 and 75% less energy than halogen bulbs. So a 12-watt LED bulb would emit the same amount of energy as a 43-watt halogen bulb. The efficiency of the LED bulbs is further enhanced by the directionality of the LED lights, which results in a reduced need for the light diffusers and reflectors for light trapping. Halogen lights require diffusers and reflectors for higher efficiency, so LED lights are an excellent option for outdoor lighting. These bulbs will cast light in the specific desired direction to highlight the object, whether it's the garage door, the entryway, or a specific fixture outdoors. Durability and safety. LED and halogen lights are also differentiated by how durable and safe they are. Essentially, the LED lights are in a solid-state lighting form. They use semiconductors that convert electricity into light. As a result, these lights endure much more impact than the halogen lights' filaments. So the LED lights are the preferred light option for outdoor use and landscaping. The LED light bulbs will also withstand rough weather and thunderstorms. But that's not all. There's also the fact that the LED lights do not emit as much heat like the halogen light bulbs. Specifically, the LED lights emit 80% less heat than the halogen lights. As a result of the LED lights burning a lot cooler than the halogen lights, LED lights are a lot less of a fire hazard. And if you live in a place like Florida, for example, investing in LED lights would be the best decision you could make for your safety. There's also the fact that the LED lights are enclosed in thick plastic materials, as opposed to the halogen lights, which makes them more durable and the ideal option for landscaping compared to the halogen lights. Installation cost. This is another vital factor to think about when deciding between the LED and halogen light options. And you should know that despite the long-term savings you'll make with the LED lights, it costs you much more to install the LED lights. On average, you'll spend between $65 and $190 to install individual LED light fixtures, while the halogen fixtures cost a little less at an average cost of between $50 and $100. The installation cost of either the LED or the halogen lights will, however, be higher or lower depending on things like the number of lights to be installed. More significant projects cost much more. Types of fixtures chosen. Brighter and bigger fixtures cost more. Fixture material. The light fixtures made of metals like copper and brass cost a lot more to install than those made of cheaper materials like plastic or aluminum. Overall landscaping setup. If the electrician works around the landscape, say around structures, trees, or shrubs to install the lights, you'll spend more on installation. And finally, different electrical technicians charge different rates. And for an experienced electrician that will do an excellent installation job, be ready to spend more on them for good work. Maintenance and overall costs. Finally, the difference between the LED and halogen lights is the light's overall maintenance costs. Although the LED bulbs will cost more up front, they often run for 25,000 to 50,000 hours, which translates to the need for replacement every 5 to 13 months, and non-additional cost in terms of bulb replacement for at least 5 years. On the other hand, the halogen bulbs run for 1,000 to 3,000 hours and need to be replaced after 8 to 12 months. And the cost of replacing these bulbs for at least 5 years is between $40 and $50 per fixture. Comparison table. From this table, it's clear that the LED lights are more suitable for the outdoors over the halogen lights. The LED lights cost much more, but since they last for 5 to 10 years and are more durable, they are much more efficient. Investing in the LED lights would be the right move. Similarities: both types of lights cost more when the fixtures used are made of more expensive materials, like brass or copper. And for both, you need to find the best electrician to install the light fixtures. Verdict: so which is the best, LED or halogen lights? Between the LED and the halogen lights, we recommend the LED lights as the best investment for you. These lights cost much more initially, and the installation costs may also be high. Still, the LED lights offer more on the long run, with higher energy efficiency, no need for maintenance for at least 5 years, low risk of fires, and overall, LED lights are much more durable than halogen lights. So, if you don't know which lights to get for your outdoors, get the LED lights. Thanks for watching.